transforming spaces into amazing places. First off, a heartfelt thank you to our incredible subscribers. You are the reason we do what we do. Your constant support turns every idea into inspiration. For those who haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on a world of creativity. Join us today to fuel your design passion. What turns a house into a home? A plain room into a conversation starter. Design is the secret. Here, we explore how small tweaks and creative ideas can make massive transformations. From cozy corners to bold statements, every detail matters, and we're here to explore it all with you. Design isn't just about beauty, it's about functionality and storytelling. Our videos are packed with trending tips, timeless tricks, and dynamic designs to make any space uniquely yours. Curious about how to achieve that perfect balance? Stick around as we take you on this design adventure. Every like, comment, and subscription is the fuel that keeps this creative engine running. We love hearing from our community and can't wait to share even more innovative ideas with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's transform spaces into amazing places together. See you in the next video.